Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, luckiest man in the world because I get to do what I love each and every day, and that is empowering others and being of service to try to save families, to help people with broken hearts get back together, and to empower people all over the world to be in healthy relationships. And I wanted to do a video on the false sense of hope. The false sense of hope that some people have in the process of getting an ex back. And from time to time, it happens that some people just simply don't know how to let go and have a false sense of hope. And we owe you the truth. We have to tell you when it's in your best interest to let go because you're banging your head against the wall. Because that doesn't help you, it doesn't help your ex, it doesn't help your self-esteem and your confidence, and you are not growing as an individual. And that is the key to this video. Most of the time, the people that have a false sense of hope are the people that are not growing. They're not evolving. They are still stuck in that same sense of despair. They are still putting their ex on a pedestal, and their entire lives are basically either centered around getting their ex's approval or stuck in the past, just continuously reliving the breakup. And if that is the case with you, if you still find yourself in one of those two scenarios or dynamics, months, if not years after a breakup, then I encourage you to take a step back and to perhaps consider moving on, letting go of the pain and the grief, and focusing your strengths and efforts into rebuilding something healthier for yourself. Because losing someone that you love is painful, but not being able to let go of a failed relationship is even more painful, especially for me as a coach. Usually when I get people in one-on-one coaching sessions, I'm able to right away tell you this is a lost cause, or of course you can do this and you have to do and approach this process, in such and such way. But many times it's people that I don't have the opportunity to work with one-on-one because you may not have the funds to do so, or because you don't simply have the desire, and that's okay. And if that's the case with you, that's why I'm doing this video. You are my target demo. I just want to make sure that you're not wasting your time, because time is our most precious commodity, at least in this lifetime. And so be open and honest with yourself. Take a step back. Look at how far you've come since the breakup. What changes have you made? Why do you feel that you're now equipped to win your ex back? Are you truly happy? Have you been able to regain a sense of independence? Those are all questions that you need to be asking yourself. And if the answer is no, or that you are unsure why you feel like it could work, or there's still a sense of denial, perhaps it's time to let go. Perhaps there is a sense of false hope. The key, and another important element that I wanted to bring up here, is it's not other people's validation. It's not your friends or your family who are going to tell you if there's false hope, right? It's you. You knowing yourself, you evolving, growing, gaining perspective. That will be your saving grace during your breakup recovery. And trust me, we take no joy or pleasure in giving people false sense of hope, or in seeing people that don't have a chance continue to act as if they did, because you're wasting your time, you're wasting your ex's time, and you're also wasting our time. And my time is valuable. I'm a father, I'm a husband, I'm a friend. I try to be a family man on top of all of the love and my implication in this project. I still have a life too. And so wasting each other's times is not something that I have any patience for. So, of course, I want you to have no regrets. I want you to keep fighting the good fight if you feel that you can still do this, or if you feel like you haven't tried everything possible yet to win your ex back. And those are the two critical points. One, do you feel like you've tried everything to win your ex back? And do you still feel like you may have some regrets if you choose to let go of your relationship at this time, or at least to let go of the hope of making it work with your significant other? This is a little bit of a harsh video, but sometimes you need tough love. And as a coach, I'm committed to giving you tough love in private coaching sessions when you're unsure whether it's time to let go or if you should still continue to fight to win back the heart of the one you love. And so if you're unsure whether it's time to let go or not, please book a session with me. Book a strategy session. Let's talk. It may save you a lot of time, effort, and energy ultimately, or you may feel like there's no hope when in reality there is. And a lot of times I coach people who are convinced that there's no hope, but they haven't even started to scratch the surface of the possibilities of what we can do to win an ex back. So either way, I hope that you'll reach out. I hope that we'll work together. Keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon on Love Advice TV for yet another video.